Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Power BI Desktop and immediately go to Transform Data to launch Power Query Editor. You need to locate the columns that contain nulls, use the Column Filter menu, or view the column statistics to confirm counts. Once identified, decide whether to remove rows, replace nulls with a value, or filter them out. This decision depends on data quality and analysis needs. You should proceed now to apply the chosen action to those specific columns. You now perform the core transformation. If you choose Removal, open the column filter, uncheck Null and apply. This deletes rows with null in that column. If replacement is better, use Replace Values from the Home or Transform ribbon and enter the substitute value. For errors, use Replace Errors. For time series or sequential data, use Fill Down or Fill Up to propagate nearby values into nulls. Once done, review the query preview to ensure changes match your expectations before proceeding. You finish by clicking Close and Apply to commit the transformations and refresh your model so reports reflect the clean data. Make sure to inspect visuals, slicers, and relationships because removing or replacing nulls can shift counts or break filters. If something looks wrong, reopen Query Editor and examine the Applied Steps pane for ordering issues. Earlier steps can reintroduce nulls or undo changes. Finally, undo or adjust the specific step, then reapply. That single correction typically resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.